this butterfly chandelier in my daughter's room, and pretty much I'm just showing you guys how to wire it for beginners. You got a red wire and a black wire, and up there you have a white wire and a black wire and a green wire, or it's not green, but it's just straight copper. That's ground, so the green is the ground, and the black is the black, and the white would be the red. So when we get this mount on the ceiling, you would then wire this up and then mount it. So that's what we're gonna do now. I'm also gonna throw a chart up there real quick, a picture showing you what an electrical outlet and where the black and the red wire would go. Just putting this in here because you never know what people might want to know. Quick little chart. If you need to, you would tie the black wire on the brass gold looking screw on an electrical receptacle, and white wires would always go on the white looking screw on an electrical receptacle. Off the bracket, I'm now going to mount this on the ceiling and center it where I want it. Bracket placed on the ceiling. My holes didn't line up and I had to add washers, but nobody will know the difference if it's just a ½ inch off from the center of the hole, because as long as that's covered, nobody will know that. There is drywall anchors. I was going to use these if I didn't have anywhere to support it, and these hold up to 65 pounds each. That way that you could screw it in, but one of those would have been fine for this because it only weighs about 5 to 10 pounds. Now I'm going to screw this into the ceiling. Also, if your LED light that you purchased has a blue wire on it, blue wires always go to white wires, because LED wires are a little different from other countries, and sometimes you buy things like this online. I'm throwing this little chart up here to let you guys know that black goes to brown, white goes to blue, green goes to yellow stripe. Different countries have different wire coding, and this is good for LED light charts. Chandelier off eBay. So these wires are so short, just in case you guys wanted to know where I got it from. These wires are so short, I'm actually gonna extend about 2 feet of wire and then wire it up and then shove it in there, because there's no way I'm gonna hold that lamp up there and work on it where I only have like a few inches. So gonna extend the wire if you guys run into that issue. Wire extended to about 2 feet. I put wire nuts on each end. Also wrapped it with electrical tape just for safety issues. Everything hung up except for the glass butterflies on this, but this was purchased from eBay if you guys like it. I don't know if I mentioned that. But now I'm gonna put electrical tape on these wires and tuck them underneath, and then I'm gonna screw it securely in. So that's how you install a hanging light or a bedroom light with LED lights. Like I said, I purchased it from eBay, but I'm by no way trying to advertise this seller who's selling this product. It took about 2 hours to put together. 4 of the butterflies were shattered. It had this like tape on there. It looks nice, just expect and be ready for a headache. It's very cheaply made on the back. It was $199. Yes, it looks nice. The remote control takes a special battery. It's very cheap and flimsy. It takes a special battery that is not even probably sold in America. I'm gonna try to find that on eBay later. Nice light. My daughter likes it. That's all that matters. When you turn it on and off at the switch, turn it on, you hear a click and it lights up. If you turn it off and on again, it does the LED pattern where it rotates, and I think if you do it once more, it all turns on. So the LEDs are on, but you can't tell that they're on anyways, and the light's on at the same time. So that's about it. If this video helped you out, give me a thumbs up. Hopefully you get inspired to go install your own light, but if you want this one, expect to get a headache with it.